Hello everyone and welcome to the 21-day smoothie diet. This revolutionary plan will help you transform your health and your taste buds. In just 21 days, you'll learn how to create delicious, nutrient-dense smoothies that will fuel your body and keep you feeling full, satisfied, and energized all day long. So are you ready to embark on this delicious journey to a healthier you? The 21-day smoothie diet is designed for people of all ages and fitness levels. It's not a diet, but a lifestyle change that will help you adopt healthier habits, reduce your calorie intake, and ultimately lose weight. In this program, you will receive easy-to-understand recipes and tips for creating more than 350 delicious smoothie combinations. But that's not all. The 21-day smoothie diet also offers practical advice on how to stay motivated, track your progress, and overcome any obstacles that may arise. You will learn how to create a personalized smoothie menu to suit your needs and preferences, as well as the importance of hydration and proper nutrition. So, are you ready to try the smoothie diet? I know it may seem daunting at first, but trust me, once you taste the benefits of these delicious smoothies, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Remember, this is not a quick fix, but a sustainable and healthy lifestyle that will help you achieve your weight loss goals in the long term. In short, the 21-day smoothie diet is a delicious and practical guide to a healthier lifestyle. It offers a wide variety of delicious smoothie recipes, tips on how to stay motivated and track your progress, and valuable advice on nutrition and hydration. So what are you waiting for? Try the smoothie diet and discover a whole new world of delicious and healthy meals.